Hi everyone! Welcome to our Thailand adventure. Ang Bangkok ang most visited city in the world. At ang Thailand ang isa sa mga pinaka-exciting na bansa sa Southeast Asia. Tara, samahan nyo kami habang ini-explore natin ang makukulay na kultura, masasarap na pagkain, at ang mga iconic na tanawin ng Thailand.
In 3 flavors.
These food are good.
Good morning! And now we are here at the Naiya Terminal 3. It's way too early, but today is the day we're flying to Thailand. Let's get this journey started. So before we head sa boarding area, kinuha muna namin yung nirent namin na travel wifi. This is pre-book online before your flight. Promise you need this. Sobrang hassle-free.
Oh, we're gonna go to Thailand now.
Sawadkab! Welcome sa Thailand. First stop natin, ang hotel accommodation. Siyempre, bago ang gala, kailangan muna ng matutulungan. Dito nga kami nag-check-in sa Aumana Hotel. Budget-friendly wise, yes. At dito kami nagstay for 5 days sa gitna ng shopping centers. Ang ganda ng location, super lapit lang sa mga malls at night markets. As in, lakad lang. Hindi na kailangan mag-grab or tuk-tuk. Second day namin here in Thailand. So today, we're exploring one of Thailand's most breathtaking landmarks, the stunning Buddha Mountain, also known as Khao Chi Chan. From Bangkok, we traveled 2 hours.
It's just like a pond.
So, second day ngayon dito sa Thailand. We are here in Pattaya. Together with So yung height ng Buddha na naka-engrave sa mismong bundok ay 109 meters tall. At sinasabi na ito daw po ang largest Buddha engraving in the world. And this tourist spot is free of entrance. Yes, libre. At best time pumunta dito is morning or late afternoon. So, ayun, sobrang sulit ng experience dito sa Buddha Mountain. Isa talaga to sa mga spots na dapat nyong bisitahin dito sa Thailand. So next stop natin ay isa sa pinakasikat pero underrated na spot sa Thailand, ang Nong Nuch Tropical Garden dito sa Pattaya, one of the most top 10 beautiful gardens in the world. It is not just any ordinary garden kasi sobrang ganda dito, and you will see different varieties of plants, exotic flowers, cacti, bonsai, orchids, and more. Sobrang daming halaman na hindi ko pa nakikita ever sa life ko. Meron din silang Thai culture show with traditional music, dance, and even Muay Thai. At syempre, hindi mawawala ang elephant show. So here's the elephants. Look at that. Whoa. So yung package na kinuha namin is 1,000 baht for adult and 750 baht for kids. At kasama na doon yung entrance fee, yung car, and yung show.
Show ticket there. Where's your ticket? You come. Thank you. Let's go. That is Thai costume, Kuya On. That is the Thai costume. How about you, Ellie? You like?
Philippines, oh. Philippines. Para sa ano nga yun sa Singapore.
Whoa! Dinosaur! Where's the biggest dinosaur?
There.
Where?
Yeah.
And my personal favorite is Dinosaur Valley na may sobrang lalaking dinosaurs at mga mazes. Super enjoy yung mga kids, sobrang lawak ng lugar. Pwede kayong mag-rent ng bike or sumakay sa tram kung ayaw nyo maglakad all day. And this place is talaga namang sulit, parang jungle adventure meets cultural trip.
This one. Oh, Bumblebee oh, Kuya Uno.
Next stop natin, Pattaya Bay View, one of the iconic and scenic views in Pattaya. And you will have a panoramic view of Pattaya coastline and skyline. And this place is called the Golden Big Buddha.
Whoa, this one is big.
Reklamo na siya.
Wow, look at that. What's that temple, mommy? The name? Name? Sanctuary of... Wow.
I would like to remind
Look at that temple.
Punta naman tayo sa Sanctuary of Truth, one of the best temple that I visited. It is a temple-like building made entirely of woods, walang kahit isang piraso ng metal or cement. And yes, kahoy lang talaga. Nakakamangha how they intricately designed this temple without using nails. At may mga guided tours din na nag-e-explain ng symbolism behind every carving.
We call this one the butterfly joint. This is
Oh, grabe yung structure nito. Wow. Ibang klaseng architecture yan.
this is inspired by the
Isn't that amazing, Kuya Uno? Look,
I wanna go inside now.
later. Wow. Ellie, that's too high. You see that? Are you tired? Going home na? Huh? You know, look oh, Kuya Uno, may picture.
as in our lifespan to level 1, we will have at least 80 years to live, but after that, we don't know yet what we're gonna do. So that's why we with our remaining time, what we're gonna do in this one. This mission has to be
Over there.
Third day namin sa Bangkok and we're heading to one of the most famous temples dito, ang Wat Arun or the Temple of Dawn. Madami kasing temples dito at isa lang to sa mga temples na dinarayo ng mga turista sa Thailand. At syempre, hindi kompleto ang experience kung hindi ka magre-rent ng traditional Thai costume. Maraming shops sa paligid ng Wat Arun, hindi nyo na kailangan lumayo. Makikita nyo agad yung mga racks ng colorful na damit. So ayan, ang daming choices. May pang girls, pang guys, at even kids. Pwede kang pumili ng color at style na gusto mo.
So ayan kuya, you looks like son of king. You are the prince.
perfect.
And you also Ellie, oh.
And hindi lang yon, sobrang accommodating ng staff. Tutulungan kanila magbihis at ayusin yung accessories. May hair clips, belt, at kung ano-ano pa. O diba, ang saya? Bongga. Para ka talagang nasa Thai historical drama. Worth it talaga kasi sobrang gandang i-pair ng costume sa view ng Wat Arun.
So we're here at Wat Arun. And here is the ticket booth. Here is the entrance. Here's the Wat Arun. Yan, oh.
Super fun ang experience na to. Sulit yung costume rental and ang ganda ng photos.
We are done. Photo shooting at Wat Arun.
Nagninang sa kasal si Nanay Leona. Dito pa sa Thailand.
Sabi ko nga, siyempre, may puti, ay dininang awalan. Nagdang pa ako
Alam ko na. Tignan mo. Uy.
Hi! Where's your hat? No more hat? Oh, Ellie. Oh. Yes.
May popcorn saka ice cream daw.
With popcorn and ice cream. Wow. Wow. So we're here at Chocolateville. Para tayong bumabalik sa pagkabata rito, no? Yan, oh. Whoa, what's that? What's that?
Sila yun? Ay, kita mo doon. Sila yun? Ay, siya. Parang dagayan
Ellie, what's that?
Ano siya?
Ha? Ha?
Na kumakain ng daga. Ng daga. Tayo ano na lang. Popcorn.
Okay. No. Anything. So yung ticket, yan, meron siyang libreng, kung hindi ice cream, popcorn. Mamimili lang kayo dun sa dalawa. So kami, pinili namin ay ice cream. That's why Uno and Ellie are eating ice cream. So itong Chocolateville, nag-open siya ng 3 p.m. hanggang 10 p.m. sila ng gabi. What's that, Ellie? Oh, what's that? Huh? What do you call that? Yes.
Ano?